Alright, let me show you something crazy. I'm going to pull up this Instagram account right now. Look at this. This is an AI monk, not a real person. It is completely AI generated. And this account has over 2 million followers. Got there in just 8 weeks. Let me scroll through some of these videos. Millions of views on each one. Now watch this. I'm going to open the comments. Look at what people are saying. Nobody realizes this is AI. Nobody. They think they're getting advice from a real spiritual guru. And the person running this account, they're making serious money. We'll get to that later. I'm going to show you exactly how to build one of these accounts from scratch. Every single step. I'll open every tool. Show you every click. Give you every prompt. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to create your own viral AI influencer. This is completely untapped right now. I've been researching this for weeks. Most people have no idea you can even do this. The barrier to entry is super low. The tools are mostly free or cheap. And the potential is huge. Let me show you the process. Step 1. Create your monk character. First thing we need to do is create the actual character. The face of your AI monk. I'm going to show you 2 different methods. Pick whichever one works better for you. Let me open ChatGPT right now. I'm already logged in. You can use the free version for this. Works fine. Method 1. We're going to ask ChatGPT to create an image generation prompt for us. Watch my screen. I'm typing this exact prompt. I'll read it out loud so you can copy it. Create a detailed image generation prompt for a wise elderly monk character. The monk should have weathered features, kind eyes, wearing traditional orange robes. The setting should be serene with soft natural lighting. Make the description detailed enough to generate consistent results across multiple images. Hitting enter. Wait a second. Okay, look at this. ChatGPT just wrote us a detailed prompt. I'm going to copy this entire thing. Control-C. Now I'm opening a new tab. Going to Google Gemini and select Create Image. This is the tool we'll use to actually generate the image. I'm pasting that prompt we just got from ChatGPT. Control-V. Now if it doesn't by default use NanoBanana Pro, you can just click on the 3 dots here and then select Recreate with Pro. Okay, look at this. We got our monk. Look at those details. The wrinkles. The eyes. The robe texture. This looks legit. If you don't like this first one, you can generate again. You'll get a different variation each time. I'm happy with this one. I'm going to download it. Method 2. Let me show you the alternative way. This is useful if you already have a specific look in mind. I'm opening Google Images. I'm searching for elderly monk portrait. Look at all these results. You can pick anyone having the vibe that you want. Let's say this one. I'm downloading this image. Now I'm going back to ChatGPT. I'm uploading the monk image I just downloaded. Now I'm typing this prompt. Analyze this image and write a detailed image generation prompt that would create a similar character. Focus on facial features, clothing, lighting, and mood. Hitting enter. ChatGPT is analyzing the image. Okay, it's writing the prompt. Look at how detailed this is. It's describing the facial structure, the lighting, the background, everything. I'm copying this. Going back to NanoBanana Pro. New image. Pasting the prompt. Generate. Wait for it. And boom. We got a monk that looks similar to the reference image, but it's unique. It's our own creation. Either method works. Use whichever you prefer. The key is to save your final monk image. You'll need it in the later steps. Step 2. Generate your scripts. Now we have the character. Next we need the actual content. The wisdom. The advice. The stuff that will make people stop scrolling. I'm going back to ChatGPT. Starting a new chat. This is important. Fresh chat for better results. I'm typing this prompt. I'll read it slowly so you can copy it. You are a wise spiritual monk sharing life lessons. Generate 10 short video scripts, each 30 to 45 seconds long when spoken. Each script should start with a relatable problem people face, then offer a simple but profound solution or perspective shift. Use storytelling, metaphors from nature, and timeless wisdom. Keep the language simple but impactful. Each script should feel personal, like the monk is speaking directly to one person. End each script with a thought-provoking question or statement that makes people want to comment. Enter. ChatGPT is writing. This takes a bit longer because it's generating 10 complete scripts. Okay, look at this. We got all our scripts. These are actually really good. See how that works? It starts with a problem people relate to, then uses a nature metaphor, ends with a question that makes you think. Now here's a pro tip. Once you start posting videos, pay attention to which ones perform best. Let's say the video about patience gets way more views than the others. You can come back to ChatGPT and say, Generate 10 more scripts similar to this one and paste the high-performing script. This is how you optimize. You find what works and make more of it. You can also tweak these scripts. Make them sound more like you. Add specific details. Whatever feels right. These are just your starting point. Step 3. Create the voice. Alright, now we need to bring this monk to life with a voice. I'm going to show you 3 different tools. You can pick based on your budget and quality needs. Option 1, 11 Labs. This is the best quality, but it costs money after the free tier. I'm opening 11labs.io. I'm already logged in. If you're new, you can sign up for free. They give you 10,000 characters per month on the free plan. That's enough for a few videos to test things out. I'm clicking on voices. Here you'll find plenty of voices. Let's search for elderly. You can select anyone that fits into your monk character. Option 2, Clipchamp. This is free and it comes built into Windows 11. You can also use it online. I'm opening Clipchamp. Clicking on text-to-speech. Look at all these voices. I'm browsing through them. I want something that sounds mature and calm. I'm picking this one called Andrew. It's listed as mature male. Now I'm pasting my full script. Generate. This takes a few seconds. Done. I'm downloading the audio file. The quality isn't quite as good as 11 Labs, but it's free. For starting out, this works fine. Option 3, any free AI voice generator. There are tons of these online. I'm opening Google. Searching, free AI voice generator. Look at all these results. I'm opening Google AI Studio, another free tool for our purpose. Just go to Audio, and select Gemini 2.5 Pro TDS. Select Single Speaker Audio. And just paste in your script here. In style instructions you can write something simple like elderly monk giving life advice. Just make sure to keep it same among all your generations. You can select any voice you like and hit run. The key with any of these tools is picking the right voice. You want someone who sounds believable. Not too young. Not too robotic. Listen to the previews before you commit. For this tutorial, I'm going to keep using the 11 Labs voice because the quality is best. But you can use whatever works for you. Make sure you save your audio file. You'll need it in the next step. Step 4, create the video. This is where everything comes together. We're going to take our monk image and our voice and turn it into a talking video. I'm going to show you 2 tools. Both work great. Option 1, Hygen AI. This gives the most realistic results. I'm opening Hygen.com in a new tab. I'm logged in already. You need to create an account. They have credits you can buy. Pretty affordable. Click on this small plus icon next to avatar, and then hover over to create a virtual character and then upload. Here you need to upload your monk photo. This just takes a few seconds. I've already uploaded it, and here you'll see this dashboard. Make sure you set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for Instagram Reels. Next step. I'm clicking upload audio to upload our audio file. Now you don't need to change anything else, just click on render scene, and you'll have your talking monk ready. If I posted this, people would think it's a real person. I'm downloading this video. Save as MP4 format. Option 2, Higgsfield AI. This is simpler and faster. I'm opening Higgsfield.ai in a new tab. I'm already logged in. I'm looking for Lip Sync Studio. Found it. Clicking on Infinite Talk. This interface is simpler. I'm clicking Upload Image. Selecting my monk image. Done. Now I have 2 choices. I can upload my audio file or I can use one of their built-in voices. I'm going to upload my audio file since I already created one. Uploading. Done. Now clicking Generate. This process is faster than Hygen. Both tools work. Hygen is slightly more realistic but costs more. Higgsfield is faster and cheaper. Pick based on your needs. Now you have a complete AI monk video. Ready to upload to Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, wherever you want. Just repeat this for 10 scripts at once to batch create content. It takes about an hour to batch create 10 videos. Then you have content for 10 days. Post 1 per day. The account starts growing. Now here's the strategy. Post 1 video per day. Same time each day. Consistency matters. The algorithm rewards accounts that post regularly. Watch your analytics. Instagram shows you which videos get the most views, shares, saves. Double down on what works. When people comment, reply to them. Even though it's an AI monk, you can respond as the character. This builds engagement. Higher engagement means more reach. Also, look at other viral monk accounts. See what they're doing. What topics get the most views? What style of editing? You can learn a lot from successful accounts. Monetization strategies. Okay, you're posting videos. You're getting views. People are engaging. Now how do you make money? Let me show you the main strategies these accounts use. Let's quickly see what this account is selling. Their first product is an ebook. You can easily create it in Canva. Let me quickly show you how I'm opening Canva. You can use this to create a simple ebook. The content will be around wisdom and life lessons. You can write it yourself or use ChatGPT. Let me show you. I'm opening ChatGPT. New chat. Write a 20-page ebook on mindfulness and inner peace. Each page should have one lesson with a short story or metaphor. Make it simple and profound. Format it with clear headings. ChatGPT is writing. This takes a minute. Okay, look at this. It's creating an entire ebook structure. Just copy this content. Go back to Canva. And paste the content. Add the design and formatting to create your unique branded ebook. Maybe some nature images along with calming colors. That's totally up to you. Now pricing. For a simple ebook like this, charge between $7 and $15. Don't go too high. Where do you sell it? This account is selling on WAP, but you can also sell on Gumroad. It's easiest. When people comment asking for more wisdom, you can reply, I put together a guide on this. Link in bio. Strategy 2, Transformation Programs. This is where bigger money is. Instead of a $10 ebook, you create a 30-day challenge or a course. You can easily structure it by asking Chat to structure a complete 4-week transformation program. Each week has video lessons, worksheets, and exercises. You can create the video lessons using your AI Monk. Same process we've been doing. Just make longer, more detailed scripts. Host this on Teachable or Gumroad. Price it at $97 to $297. Sounds expensive, but people pay for transformation. Especially if your free content is valuable. In your Instagram videos, mention the program occasionally. Strategy 3, Affiliate Marketing. Partner with meditation apps, wellness brands, books. Every sale through your link gets you a commission. You can even sign up for Amazon's affiliate program. Find a popular meditation book. Someone clicks, buys the book. You get a cut. Usually 4 to 10% depending on the product. You can also partner with apps like Calm or Headspace. Many of them have affiliate programs. Check their websites. The beauty of all this is that your AI Monk can work 24/7. You batch create 30 videos in one day. Schedule them. The account runs on autopilot while you're making money. Let me recap everything fast. Step 1. Create your Monk character in Nano Banana Pro using ChatGPT for prompts. Step 2. Generate scripts in ChatGPT. 10 scripts to start. Step 3. Create voice using 11 Labs, Clipchamp, or free tools. Step 4. Make videos in Hygiene AI or Higgsfield AI. Batch create for efficiency. Step 5. Post daily on Instagram. Engage with comments. Build your following. Step 6. Monetize with ebooks, transformation programs, or affiliate links. This is working right now. Real accounts are making real money. Most people watching those videos have no idea they're AI. You can start this today. Most tools have free trials. Test it out. Create your first video. Post it. See what happens. The barrier to entry is low, but the potential is high. People are hungry for wisdom content. And AI makes it possible to create this content at scale. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. I break down strategies like this every week. All the prompts I used in this video, I'll put them in the description. Just copy and paste. Go create your AI Monk. Start posting. And let me know how it goes. I'll see you in the next one.